Okay. All right. So, yeah. So we will start the SPM 2023 discussion today. Okay. So hari ni kertas dua lah, paper 2. Okay. So let us look at the first question. So when I ask question, you all respond in the chat box. Bila saya tanya soalan, kamu semua bagi response. Okay. So for this question is your first question. Soalan pertama. Okay. So first question is talking about stem and leaf plot. Okay, plot batang dan juga daun. Okay, wait. Okay. So guys, how do you read stem and leaf plot? Macam mana kamu baca plot batang dan daun? Okay, you have to refer to the key over here. Very good. Okay, kamu rujuk petunjuk dia guys. Ataupun ke kunci. Okay. So 1/5 means 15 minutes. Okay, so maksudnya guys, kalau saya nak tahu nilai terbesar set data ni, apa nilai dia guys? What is the largest value in this data set? Can you all comment? Sama people, lagi orang, apa nilai terbesar kat sini guys? What is the biggest value? Yes, means you all know lah how to interpret. Okay, so the biggest value is 54, 54. Okay, all right. So we come to the question. Okay, so first question, they ask you to state the number of students who take part in the survey. Okay, nyatakan bilangan murid yang ambil bahagian. So guys, final answer. Jawapan saja bila nampak nyatakan. So how many people guys? May I know? Okay, Bowen, I can see. Don't worry. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 12 guys. Jawapan dia 12 orang. Okay, so how to get 12? You just refer to your leaf. 2, 3, 5, 2. Okay, tengok kekerapan kamu guys. Look at your frequency on the leaf. Kat daun tu. Okay, so the total you have here is 12. Okay, 12. That's why 12 is the answer. Okay, very simple. Okay, so next one. 1B. They ask you to determine the mode. Apa maksud mode guys? What is the meaning of mode? May I know? Okay, very fast Yes. Okay, the mode is 46 guys. Okay, mode dia adalah data dengan kekerapan paling tinggi. Okay, the data with the highest frequency. So your answer is 46. Am I right? Okay, because you see 2 number 6. Okay, 2 nombor 6. Jadi mode dia adalah 46 lah secara logik. Okay, so 46 is the answer. Okay, so next one. 1C. Okay, this one is a rare question. Okay, so they will ask you to write one inference on the distribution of time. Okay, tulis satu inference berdasarkan tabuhan masa. So how do you write inference guys? This question a lot of people don't know how to do. Banyak orang tak tahu buat yang ni. Apa inference dia guys? Based on the time. Berdasarkan waktu kat sini. Anyone? Can you comment? Inference. Inference means is the reason. Sebab. On the distribution of time. Tabuhan masa. So guys, first step. Your distribution of time. Is it right skewed or left skewed? Adakah tabuhan masa kamu pencong ke kanan atau pencong ke kiri? Boleh saya tahu? Yes. Okay, to the right. Because you see a lot of data on the right hand side. Okay, right hand side maksudnya nilai yang lebih tinggi lah guys. Okay, lebih ke kanan, lebih tinggi nilai dia. Okay, so this is what we mean by skewed to the right. Pencong ke kanan. Okay, so guys, why is it skewed to the right? Now that's the question lah. Mengapa dia pencong ke kanan? So you can give a lot of reason lah. Kamu boleh bagi banyak-banyak sebab. Yes, you can say more values of time. No problem. Boleh cakap lebih banyak masa. Sebab kamu nampak kat sini ada banyak kan. Okay, what other reason you can think of guys? Why is it skewed to the right? Kenapa dia pencong ke kanan? Selain lebih banyak masa terkumpul di sebelah kanan. Anyone else? What other reason? Okay lah. Of course, more student mean more time. Am I right? It come under the same point. Okay guys? Lebih banyak murid, lebih banyak masa tu 1 point saja. Only 1 point. So any other reason that you can think of? Try to be more specific with your answer. Cuba bagi jawapan lebih specific. Anyone? Come on. I need your response guys. What is the inference? Satu markah saja guys. 1 mark only. Means 1 inference enough. The survey is hard to answer. Huh? Not really. Okay, I get your logic. Okay, because you see more time means it's harder, can. Okay, but that's not the point they are looking here. So can anyone think? What other reason? Apa lagi sebab yang menyebabkan data ni pencong ke kanan? Why the data actually is skewed to the right? Cuba fikir lagi guys. Jawab saja. Jangan risau. Betul atau salah tak apa. Selain sebab tu Ahmad. Selain Nicholas also. Other than that. Other than talking about the number. Selain jumlah nombor kat sini. Anyone? Okay guys. Do you notice one thing? Nampak sesuatu tak? Sec 2 orang ambil 46 minit. Not really. Okay. Not really. Many question. Okay, terlalu am juga. Very general jawapan kamu. Okay, kamu kena specific guys. Bila bagi inference. Whenever they ask you inference in maths, you must be, yes, betul, Naufal. Yours is okay lah, still can. Okay, so basically the most accurate answer, jawapan paling tepat guys, kamu cuba nampak nilai maksimum masa kat sini. Okay, your maximum value of time is 54 minutes. Am I right? Okay, so means that if the maximum value is higher, will your data be more right skewed or left skewed? May I ask? Kalau nilai maksimum kamu tu lebih tinggi, adakah data kamu tu pencong ke kanan atau ke kiri secara lebih? Mana yang akan jadi lebih? Yes, kanan, right? Sebab kalau nilai ni besar, dia akan lagi pencong ke kanan. It will be more skewed to the right. So that is the reason, guys. Itu jawapan dia. Okay, because you can say the maximum value is 54 minutes. Okay, nilai maksimum ialah 54 minit. That's all. Okay, you just say the maximum value is 54 minutes. Okay, why like that? Because the maximum value, if it's more to the right, then your graph will go more to the right. Am I right? You can imagine like a bell-shaped curve lah guys. Okay, graph taburan normal, graph bentuk loceng. If the maximum value is larger, kalau nilai maksimum tu lebih besar, maksudnya dia akan tarik graph lagi ke kanan. It will pull the graph more to the right. So that's why it's more right skewed, lebih pencong ke kanan. Kalau kamu cakap minimum, kamu tengah bagi tahu yang bertentangan. Betul kan Ahmad? Sebab sekarang kita tahu data tu dah pencong ke kanan. Minimum tu merujuk pencong ke kiri. Betul? So kamu dah bagi jawapan yang kontradik dah dengan apa yang mereka tanya. Faham tak? So hanya boleh cakap maksimum. Sebab kita nak tahu kenapa dia kena pencong ke kanan. Okay, sebab nilai maksimum yang ni. Okay, the maximum value is 54. If I skewed, I give maximum, can? Yes, very good, Bowen. No problem. Your answer is correct. Okay guys, do you understand? Boleh faham soalan pertama? Kita dah habis soalan pertama, we already done. Okay, so faham type 1, tak faham type 2. Okay, understand type 1, don't understand type 2. This is the code guys throughout the lesson. Sepanjang kelas hari ini 1 atau 2 saja. Okay? Okay, so all number 1 Okay, so continue. Okay, so question 2 we come to quadratic chapter. Okay, kita masuk bab quadratic. Okay, so for this one they ask you to complete the table. Okay, lengkapkan jadual. Okay, so very simple lah. Okay, you just need to press calculator. Tekan calculator saja kat sini guys. Okay, so the table that they never show here. Okay, the table will be something like this lah. Okay, kamu akan ada jadual macam ni. Okay, and then mungkin mereka bagi kat kamu beberapa nilai lah. Okay, maybe like this. Contoh macam ni. Okay, so they give you all the X value. And then kamu kena isi untuk nilai Y. You must find out the Y value. Okay, so macam mana buat guys? Kamu hanya perlu gantikan kan? Okay, you just need to substitute all your X value inside the equation. Okay, ganti semua nilai X dalam persamaan ni. No, I think the table is given already. Okay, tapi saya tak tunjuk kat sini. Okay, jadual sudah diberi dalam soalan sebenar guys, saya rasa. Okay, I think the question is already given. Okay, so when you press calculator, tekan calculator, kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni, you will get this kind of answer. If not given, become admits. No lah. You can still estimate some value, guys. Kalau mereka tak bagi nilai ni pun, let's say lah the question never give you this X value. Kamu boleh jangkakan. You can estimate because they already give you the domain. Okay, mereka dah bagi julat nilai X kat kamu. They already give you your range of X value. So you can just choose a few values lah to plot the graph. Okay, pilih beberapa nilai X saja untuk plot graph kuadratik kamu. Okay? So now guys, part B they ask you to sketch the graph. Okay, bahagian B kamu kena draw the graph. Okay guys, important they say draw the graph, lukis graph. So does it mean I must use graph paper or not? Adakah saya perlu guna kertas graph? Yes or no? They say draw, lukis. Lukis maksudnya? Yes. Okay, whenever they say draw, you must use graph paper. Kena lukis guna kertas graph. Kalau dia cakap lukis. Okay, so the graph paper they will give you in SPM. Mereka akan bagi kat kamu. No problem. Okay, so this is how your graph will look like. Okay, kamu kena lukis macam ni lah guys. Senang kan? Very simple, right? I rasa kamu semua dah biasa lukis graph kuadratik. Am I right? By now you should be very used to this already. Especially those yang ambil admits. Kena tahulah macam mana lukis graph kuadratik. Okay? Alright. So any question about the graph that you want to ask me guys? Ada apa-apa soalan berkaitan graph ni ke? Okay, yes, Kartik. What is your question? Anything regarding the graph you don't understand or want to clarify? Nak tahu lebih banyak. 2 is number. Which one, Kartik? What do you mean? Oh, yes. 2 is means you don't understand. So what is your question? If you type 2, right guys, kalau kamu type 2 means that you have question to ask. No need. Okay, this graph is freehand guys. Please remember yang ni kena lukis guna tangan bebas. Okay, freehand saja. Freehand sketch. Wanted to ask if the graph slightly lari. No problem. They won't be so strict one. As long as it pass through all these points lah guys. Dia kena lalui semua titik yang kamu plot. Okay, every single point. Can you see it? You will only lose few mark. You won't lose all the mark. Don't worry. Okay, so how they give the mark? Okay, so for this graph, you have total 2 marks only guys. Okay, kamu ada 2 markah saja. So how they mark? Okay, first one, you must plot all the 4 points in your table correctly. Okay, 4 titik dalam jadual tu tadi kena diplot dengan betul. Okay, yes, correct. Can you see this, Kartik? A graph of smooth and continuous is drawn. 1 mark. So guys, pastikan graf kamu tu kena licin dan berterusan. Berterusan maksud apa? Kamu kena buat satu kali saja. Straight away draw one time, you must get the shape already. Don't lukis setengah, stop. Lepas tu lukis setengah lagi, stop. Lukis lagi, stop. Jangan. Kena one shot. Okay, then only you will get continuous curve. Berterusan. Itu maksudnya berterusan. Okay, yes. Yang ni. Actually kat sini mereka plot lagi point lah guys. Okay, over here in the graph here, kamu nampak ada banyak point kan? Mereka plot. Okay, but actually kamu plot 4 pun dah cukup. Okay, you just need to draw 4. Should be okay already. Alright? So understand guys? This question? Soalan 2 boleh? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Dah habis soalan kedua. Okay, so now we go question 3. So guys, this chapter you all like, right? Suka kan bab ni? Garis lurus, straight line. So they ask you to form the equation which is parallel to PQ. Okay guys, bila nampak selari, apa keluar kat minda kamu? When you see the word parallel, what come out in your mind? Yes. Okay, same gradient guys. Kecerunan sama kalau selari, parallel. Okay, very good. So means that kamu kena cari kecerunan garis ni lah. Okay, you just need to form the equation. Okay, so M equal to, yang ni adalah pintasan Y. Y-intercept is 0 to. Okay, so you have 4 minus 2 over 3 minus 0. Okay, so nilai kecerunan dia adalah 2/3. 2 over 3. Okay, so maksudnya kecerunan sama. Sebab dia cakap selari. Same gradient. Okay, and they say it pass to T. Okay, so sekarang kita kena cari nilai apa guys? What value we need to find now? You have gradient, you have point. Kamu ada kecerunan dan juga titik. So apa lagi info kena cari? One more. Anyone? Ada satu lagi info kena cari. One more information. Think and see. Yes, very good. Okay, pintasan Y guys. Your C value. Y equal to mx plus C. So kamu kena cari yang ni. C. Yes, pintasan Y. Okay, so you just substitute x equal to 1, y equal to negative 1. Okay, so negative 1 equal to 2/3, 1 plus C. Okay, so nilai C kamu akan dapat negative 5/3. Okay, alright. So you already get your equation lah guys. Kamu dah dapat persamaan dia. Am I right? Y equal to 2/3x tolak 5/3. Senang kan guys? So simple. Am I right? That's all. Settle. Okay, so this is your working. Ini jalan kira. So total you have 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay, so if you find the gradient correct, you get 1 mark. Okay, and then kalau kamu tunjukkan penggantian yang betul, correct substitution 1 mark, and then final answer. Jawapan akhir, 1 lagi markah. If 3y, 3y, oh okay, you mean like this, right? 3y equal to 2x minus 5. You mean this answer? Can? No problem. Guys, kalau kamu nak bagi jawapan macam ni pun boleh. Masih sama. It's still the same one. Depend on your preference only. Okay? Bergantung mana yang kamu suka. Nicholas. Okay, so basically they say it's parallel, right? So first step, you must find gradient. Am I right? Because parallel means same gradient. So you find the gradient of PQ. Okay, so PQ gradient is this one lah. Okay, you just take the 2 points, 3, 4, and also 0, 2. Count the gradient. Okay, then parallel means same. Means you will take this value in your equation. Okay, so now you need to find your y-intercept, C value. Okay, so you just substitute this point because they want the equation of the line passing to T. Okay, so you substitute x is 1, y is negative 1, m is 2/3. Find your C value. Okay, then just rewrite back the equation. Understand? 1 or 2? Okay, so everyone, 1 atau 2 soalan ni. We already finished question 3. So dah habis soalan ketiga. Modern maths got perpendicular? No, don't have. Modern maths don't have perpendicular. Okay, come to your favorite question guys. Form 4 chapter 3, logical reasoning, penakulan logic. So guys, may I know what is the answer? Mereka sekarang tanya kesimpulan. What is your conclusion over here? This one must memorize lah guys. Kamu kena ingat bentuk hujah. What is your form of argument? So anyone? What is your answer here? Apa jawapan dia? Type saja. Copy have. Ample vinegar have a pH value. Very good. Andrea correct. Okay, Andrea's answer correct. Yes, Janice, correct. You must put less than 7. Lebih kurang dari 7. Okay. So this is all A, B. Okay, semua A adalah B. Am I right? So yang ni, C is A. So yang bawah, C is B. Okay, C adalah A, C adalah B. Okay, so means kamu kena ambil yang ni. Okay, take this one. Tak tahu macam mana type. It's okay, it's okay. Suka, yes, very good, Nicholas. Correct. Okay, so this is the answer guys. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, so you should get this as your answer. Must answer exactly guys. Kena jawab tepat-tepat. Macam ni. Jangan hilang satu perkataan pun. Okay, so we proceed. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for this one, question B, they ask you to use induction. Secara induksi guys. So this is inductive conclusion. Am I right? Okay, kesimpulan secara induktif. So they want you to write a conclusion. Big letter. What do you mean, Bowen? I don't understand. Big letter. Oh, just now question, is it? Yes, PH. Is it this one? The H, isn't it? Follow only. Just write big H. Okay. All right. So for question 4B, they want you to write a conclusion, guys, for this. So you must think and see what is the sequence over here. Can anyone think and see? Apa pola dia kat sini, guys? For all this saving over here. They never give you the pola. You must think and see. Kamu kena fikir pola dia. So anyone? Can you think and see? Okay. For AdMed student, I will advise you don't use your progression concept because AdMed's formula usually you cannot use in modern maths. Okay, so better not. Don't use AdMed's formula in modern maths. Plus 315. Okay, very good. Yes, you see the plus 315. Yes, and plus 315. No, carefully. Hati-hati guys. Bila buat pola. If you say n plus 315, what is your n here? To get 600. Am I right? Guys, kamu kena ingat ungkapan untuk yang ni mesti ambil nilai 1, 2, 3, 4 biasanya. Usually it will take the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Ahmad. Very good. 0 also can. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, jangan ada nilai selain tu. Okay? Okay, so Ahmad cakap betul. Correct. Okay, so Ahmad buat 600 minus 315. Okay, because beza dia is 315. Okay, so it's 285. Okay, Samantha, no, still no. No. 315 is the difference between all these values, guys. Can you see? 315 is the difference. Beza. Okay, you just take calculator and minus lah. Okay, ambil saja. February minus January, March minus February, April minus March. Semua nilai dia is 315. The difference. So now, anyone else? What is the pola? Yeah, this actually is your lower form maths. Okay, mathematics menengah rendah. Wait. I never come to the answer yet. Okay, yes. Got one person answer correct, Adi. Alia. Yes, very good. Okay, so Alia, very good. This is the answer. Ini jawapan dia, guys. Okay, so this is your formula. So why is it like this? Okay, because they say the difference is 315. Am I right? You already found your difference is 315. Beza kamu. Okay, and then why plus 285? Because that is actually your x and y. I just assume. Sorry, follow the question, guys. You must follow the symbol ikut simbol dalam soalan. Okay, month is x, the total is y. Okay, kena ikut soalan. Okay, so how I get this? Okay, actually it's to trial and error only lah. Okay, cuba saja beberapa kali. Okay, so you try and see. X is 1. Okay, kamu ganti x sama dengan 1 kat sini. You will get 600. Am I right? Okay, then you try again. X equal to 2. Cuba X sama dengan 2 ganti. Okay, kamu akan dapat yang ni. 915. So semua nilai X, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Semua nilai ni. Okay? Do you all understand, guys? So that's why your answer is like this. Okay, jawapan kamu macam ni. Alright? Are you clear, guys? 2 marks. Total is 2 marks. So you just trial and error only, guys, on the pola. Kamu kena buat saja dan buat silap, cuba lagi sekali. You must try again. Tak payah guna, tak boleh Ahmad. Sebab soalan dah cakap. Lihat kat sini Ahmad. Account simpanan RMY. Bulan X. So memang tak boleh guna simbol selain Y dan X. Okay? I still prefer formula than I rub off. Okay, Ken? No problem. Guys, for those that like your AdMaths formula a lot, untuk yang suka rumus AdMaths, no problem. You can use your AdMaths formula, then you just rub off. Then you direct go to the answer. Don't show it as part of your working step. Jangan tunjuk dia sebagai jalan kira kamu. Rumus arithmetic AdMaths kamu. If not seen. Yes. Okay. So, guys, one more thing. When you do inductive conclusion, this part over here. Can you see this? Only 3 dots after your last value of X. Hanya tiga titik saja selepas nombor X terakhir kamu. Tak boleh lebih, tak boleh kurang. Mereka sangat strict tentang yang ni. Make sure hanya 3 saja. Only 3. Okay, guys? 1 or 2, 1 atau 2 untuk soalan ni boleh dapat? Can, right? So make sure only 3 dots. I wonder could they even see? Yes, pemirsa akan nampak guys. 3 titik atau 4 titik mereka akan nampak. Ha? Tak perlu 5 lah. Oh, nombor 5. Yes. Sebab kamu ada 5 nombor Ahmad dalam jadual kamu. So pasti kena pergi sampai 5 lah. Untuk melibatkan sampai nilai yang terakhir. Okay? Bilangan nombor yang kamu tulis tu berdasarkan bilangan set data yang kamu ada guys. Okay, the number or the amount of X value you give is depend on how many values you have in the table. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question this one. Yang ni. So they tell you the estimated cost is 3,500. Okay, anggaran cost. So guys, nilai ni adalah Y atau X? Is this your X or Y value? Over here. Cost. You see the question above. Yes, of course Y lah. Okay, yang ni merujuk nilai Y sebab bincang pasal cost. Okay, so Y equal to 3,500. Okay, so they ask you to count the number of months, bilangan bulan. So kena cari apa guys? May I know? Nilai apa kena cari kat sini? Bilangan bulan. Yes. Okay, kamu kena cari X sama dengan apalah. So guna persamaan mana? You use your equation in the previous part. Okay, guna persamaan yang ni. Okay, then just substitute the value. Gantikan nilai saja, count your answer. Okay, so over here your number of months tak boleh decimal. Okay, your answer cannot be in decimal. Perpuluhan tak boleh. So make sure kamu bundarkan. Round off your answer to whole number. Jawapan mesti nombor bulat. Okay, so guys, may I ask you, why they never take X equal to 10? Kenapa mereka tak tulis yang ni sebagai jawapan? Siapa tahu? Why my answer cannot be X equal to 10? Anyone? Boleh bagi sebab kat saya? Other than round off. No. All your reason wrong lah. Yes, very good Afiq. Tak cukup kalau 10 bulan. Guys, you substitute X equal to 10 in your equation here. Kamu gantikan. Kamu akan dapat nilai ni. Jumlah wang kamu. Adakah dia capai 3,500? Takkan. It never reach 3,500. So maksudnya yang ni tak boleh. Because you must at least have 3,500. So that's why kita pergi satu nilai ke atas. We go one extra value. Okay? Do you understand? So kita dah habis soalan keempat. We already complete. Okay, so 1 or 2? 1 atau 2 untuk soalan keempat. Okay, right? 2 Janice Lee, do you have question? Want to ask? Since you type number 2. Wow, very good are you guys? Everyone type 1. Tak faham? Which one? B2 is it? B2 or B1? B2. Oh, B2 very simple. They tell you the cost is 3,500. Am I right? So this is your Y value. Correct? They ask you to find the number of month. Means find your X. So you just substitute your equation. In your equation, the answer. Y equals 3,500 and X equal to you must find your X. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai X. Alright? So you just solve this equation only. Find your X value. So over here, you must round off. Okay, because if you substitute X is 10 inside here, your value won't get 3,500 yet. So you must go one value extra, which is 11. Okay, because the question say the savings. Savings must be 3,500. Can you see? Anggaran kos 3,500. So guys, kalau saya jimat kurang dari 3,500, boleh tak Encik Jamal ni pergi percutian? Secara logik, can he go for holiday if he save less than 3,500? Yes or no? Common question. So logic. What's the answer guys? Ya atau tidak? Kalau nilai kamu kurang dari 3,500, pasti tidak lah. Okay, that's why X equal to 10 cannot be your answer. Yang ni salah. Okay, that's why 11. Okay, boleh guys? Understand right? Janice, do you understand now? Okay, 600 plus 315 X minus 1. Oh, okay. You are using the AdMaths concept, right? Samantha, Ken, you get the same answer, right? Yes, no problem. But you just don't show that formula, the a plus n minus 1d. Don't write that formula because you never learn in modern maths. Okay? Yes, Nicholas? How to get the 10.21? Huh? Press calculator only lah, Nicholas. Okay? 315x equal to, never mind lah guys, I must teach also, am I right? 3,500 minus 285. Okay, so 315x will equal to, where's your calculator? 3500 minus 285. You get 3215. Okay, so 3215. So x equal to 3215 divide 315. So x equal to, press calculator, divide 315. Can you see, Nicholas? 10.2. Okay? Can? So x equal to 10.2. Understand, Mr. Nicholas? Understand, basic algebra, you know, this one. Guys, by now lah, masa sekarang ni kan, kalau kamu tak boleh selesaikan persamaan macam ni lah, saya takut. I'm worried for you. If you don't know how to solve this kind of equation, persamaan macam ni. Okay, you guys must know already. Kena tahu dah. Kalau kamu aim untuk dapat markah atau grade yang tinggi dalam SPM. Faham tak guys? Do you all understand me? This kind of equation all should be fingertips already. Okay, di hujung jari kamu boleh buat dah. Okay? I know you all understand, but just for generally I telling secara untuk semua murid SPM. Okay? Alright. So we come to question 5. Okay, so question 5, Venn diagram guys. Form 4 chapter 4. Form 4 bab 4. Operasi set. Yes. You improve slowly lah, Nicholas. Okay? Alright, so question 8. They ask you Venn diagram. Okay, so this one, very easy. Sangat senang. You just need to draw. How many circles, guys? Berapa bulatan kat sini? May I know? Is it 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle? Yes, 3. Okay, sebab kamu nampak 3 perkara berbeza. Okay, you have 3 different thing over here. Okay, so that's why 3 circle. Correct. Okay, so you can label your circle lah. Okay, kamu boleh label dia. Okay, so kamu boleh bagi singkatan lah. You just give a short form. A, B, C. Okay, A is singing, B is coloring, C is cooking. Okay, just bagi singkatan saja. Or if you want to write the whole word out, also can. Kalau kamu nak tulis seluruh perkataan tu pun boleh. Okay, alright. So now, you have to start from the basic. Okay, kamu kena mulai isi dari yang paling kecil dulu. Okay, so example, you're singing and cooking. Okay, so I draw over here lah. Okay, so singing, cooking, and coloring. Coloring, how to write? CL lah. Okay, coloring I use CL. Cooking is C. Okay, so singing only guys. Info ni, saya nak letak kat mana guys? May I know? Number 6. Kat mana saya kena letak? Anyone? Which one? Menyanyi sahaja. Yes. Okay, kamu kena letak kat sini lah. Okay, menyanyi sahaja, singing only. Okay, then coloring only, mewarna sahaja. Okay, over here lah, kat sini. Okay, next. Ketiga-tiga. Okay, all the 3. So all the 3 kamu kena letak kat dalam ni, inside here. Okay, so this one you will write 5. Okay, nombor 5. Okay, then okay, so kamu dah settle 3 yang ni. Okay, so now coloring and singing. Okay guys, kat sini ramai orang akan confused. A lot of you will get confused for this one. Coloring and singing. Okay guys, may I know? Coloring and singing, adakah dia yang biru ataupun yang hijau? Tell me guys. Coloring and singing. Is it the blue color one or green color one? Careful guys. Blue or green? Biru atau hijau? Yang ni. Mewarna dan menyanyi. Coloring and singing. CL dan S. Dua-dua bulatan tu. Okay, ada banyak jawapan Okay, so the correct answer is blue. Okay, jawapan dia adalah biru guys. Okay, so why the answer Don't worry lah, guys. You make mistake, it's okay. Got chance to learn. Am I right? Yeah. Buat silap tak apa, no worries. Okay, so whenever you don't see the word only, it refer to the larger circle, guys. Bila kamu tak nampak perkataan sahaja, dia merujuk kepada bulatan yang besar ni. Can you see, guys? This whole circle is 12. Nilai dia 12. Okay? Can you all get it, guys? Boleh dapat? Bila tak nampak perkataan saja, dia merujuk seluruh persilangan tu. The whole intersection belong to, sorry, not 12. The value is 9. Okay, not 12, guys. This one is 9. Okay? Boleh faham, guys? Understand? So, guys, apa nilai kat sini pula? What is the value here? May I know? Total 9. So 9 tolak 5 sajalah. 9 minus 5, you get 4. Okay, so you just fill in number 4 inside. Okay, all right. So then you see next, cooking and singing, 15. Okay, so cooking and singing, 15. So guys, nilai kat sini berapa? What is the value? So cooking and singing, 15. So maksudnya kat sini 10 lah. 15 minus 5. Okay, all right. Then down some more, coloring 30. Okay, so coloring 30 maksudnya seluruh bulatan ni 30. Okay, the whole circle is 30. Okay, so what is this value, guys? May I know? Seluruh bulatan CL tu adalah 30. So answer, you should get, yes. Okay, you will get 9. Correct. Okay, 9. Okay, and then this one, the last one, cooking 35. Okay, memasak 35. So apa nilai kat sini, guys? Yes. Guys, question asks you to draw a Venn diagram. Soalan suruh lukis wajah Venn. Can you see? Okay. So what's the value, guys? Apa nilai kat sini? Are you sure 11? Total 35, you know. Jumlah is 35. Cooking, memasak. So the remainder is what? May I know? Wait, 30, correct lah. Yeah. Correct. 11. I think schema bagi salah kot. Okay, answer scheme give wrong value. Okay, never mind. The answer is correct. 11. Okay, so your answer will be something like this. Okay, guys, this one you must change. There is mistake here. Okay, yang ni sepatutnya. Sorry. I correct. I referring the wrong order. Okay, susunan saya dah silap. Yes, correct. Cooking is 11. Okay, boleh dapat, guys? So yeah, this is your Venn diagram. Boleh? Okay. Guys, jangan gelak lah. Nanti kamu buat kesilapan sama dalam SPM, malulah kamu semua. If you do the same mistake in SPM, then I laugh at you all at back. Yes, tak baik. Tak apalah. Okay. So question B1. Mereka suruh cari bilangan murid yang menyertai satu pertandingan sahaja. Okay, number of student only join one competition. Okay, so kamu refer kat sini. Bagi tahu saya jawapan. Venn diagram value impossible. Of course, Venn diagram value is number. Am I right? Number of people where can be negative. Unless they are not talking about people lah. They are just talking generally about numbers. Don't refer to any specific situation. Then can get negative. Okay? Alright. So anyone else? Apa jumlah orang yang sertai satu pertandingan sahaja? Number of people only take one competition. Refer your Venn diagram. Yes. Okay, you will get 29, guys. Okay, you just take 12 plus 6 plus 11. Okay, jadi jawapan dia 29. Okay, second part. They ask you number of students did not join coloring and cooking. Tidak menyertai mewarna dan memasak. So how many people, guys? Berapa orang? Tidak menyertai mewarna dan memasak. Slowly, guys, slowly. Pelan-pelan. Wait, let's see. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, 43 is the correct answer, guys. 43. Okay, so they say the ones that do not take coloring and cooking. Okay, yang tidak mengambil bahagian mewarna dan memasak. So yang ni adalah orang yang ambil bahagian mewarna dan memasak. Betul? Okay, these are the people that take part in the coloring and cooking. Means you just take the rest. Okay, kamu ambil yang lain saja. Wait guys. Okay, so you just take 12, 4, 6, 10, 11. Okay, kamu tambah semua orang. Okay, boleh dapat guys? Soalan ni, question 5, are you clear? 1 or 2, satu atau dua? And means intersection or means union. Yes, correct. Okay guys, are you clear? Come on. I need to see your number. Saya kena lihat nombor kamu. Satu atau dua. Don't spam guys. Satu orang type satu nombor satu saja. Jangan satu orang type 5 nombor satu. Ayo, kamu semua. Okay. Oh, keyboard sleep Are you sure? Your keyboard sleep. I think it's your hand simply type like that. Okay, so now we come to question number 5. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is about graph of motion, guys. Okay, graph gerakan. Okay, so now, first part, they ask you to describe the motion between 20th and 25th second. Okay, saat ke-20 hingga 25. So how do you describe, guys? Macam mana huraikan yang ni? This one. This part over here. Bahagian ni. Are you sure? Stationary. See your graph carefully. Yes. Very good, guys. The answer is uniform speed. Okay, laju seragam. Okay, because the y-axis is speed. Laju. Okay, so if it's a horizontal line, means it's a constant velocity. Okay, halaju seragam. Okay, so you just need to answer constant speed. Okay, laju seragam. Okay, so your answer is like this. Okay, guys, can understand? Simple, right? Senang kan? Okay, so part B, they ask you to count the total distance. Hitung jumlah jarak. So guys, jarak is what? Jarak diwakili oleh kuantiti apa dalam graph ni? Distance is represented by what quantity for this graph? When distance time graph stationary and when speed correct. Very good. Yes, area guys. Luas bawah graph akan menunjukkan jarak kamu. Okay, area under speed time graph show you your distance. Okay, so you just need to find the area during acceleration and deceleration. Okay, semasa pecutan dan nia pecutan. Okay, so pecutan, kamu kena rujuk yang ni. Am I right? Okay, this is acceleration. And then deceleration is this one. Nia pecutan. So kamu kira dua luas ni saja. Just take 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 tambah 2. Okay? Yes. Trapezium plus triangle. Yes, very good, Karthik. Okay, if you guys count correctly, the answer is 362.5. Very good. Okay, so this is the working. Jalan kira. Okay? Are you guys clear? Satu atau dua, guys? 1 or 2? For question number 6. Boleh kan? Can, right? Yes, I forgive you one more time. Okay. Wow. Olivia also one, Not bad. Marcus, what is your number 2? Hey, guys, jangan terlebih-lebih, guys, you type number like this, it remind me of something, guys. Bila kamu type nombor macam ni kan, I want to call people name to answer the question already. Because I always say type from number 1 to 10, right? Okay, you give me the idea, D. Thank you very much. Okay, so from question number 7, I will call your name to answer the question. Saya akan panggil nama. Okay, so who volunteer first? Sorry. Not volunteer. Who want to answer this question first? Siapa nak jawab soalan 7? Okay lah, I start with the, let me see. Hey, Amanda, you raise your hand. Is it you want to volunteer? Yes or no? Amanda, you want to answer? No. Okay. No, she never mean it. Okay, I call simply lah, guys. I random only one. I random pick. I also don't know lah. Okay. Hakim, are you here? No. I already call. Hakim, are you here? Yes or no? Never hear your voice. You never hear your chat, that's why. Hello, Hakim. Are you here? Oh, Akmal lah. Oh, Akmal who? I don't know. So, okay, Hakim. Question number 7. I never hear. Sorry, Akmal. Okay, soalan ketujuh. Later I will call your name after this. Okay, so number 7A. They ask you, can the insurance company bear the cost or not? So how do you do this? Hakim, what is your first step? Actually, no step here lah. You can direct answer yes or no. They're focusing on the year. Sorry, they say the treatment is 1050. Okay, cost rawatan 1050. So is it yes or no? Based on the information here. So what is your answer, Hakim? Yes or no? Does the insurance company bear the treatment? So you just compare lah, your treatment and also the values over here. Okay, very good. Wow, Akmal already answer. No, because less than deductible. Yes, very good. Okay, Akmal answer correct. Okay, because you compare 1050 with your deductible always. Always you must compare your loss and deductible, guys. Kena bandingkan kerugian dan deductible. Okay, kerugian kat sini adalah kos rawatan lah dalam perkataan lain. Okay, your loss is actually your treatment cost because you have to pay the treatment cost. So when you pay something, it become a loss. Bila kamu kena bayar sesuatu, dia bermaksud kerugian pada kamu. Okay? So you just compare the value, then you just answer like this. Okay, because deductible value. Yes, guys, this chapter is real life one. Can apply in real life. Aplikasi harian punya. So the situation works like this. Guys, if it's not real life, why you all learn this topic? Come on. Kalau yang ni tak boleh aplikasi kat kehidupan seharian, kenapa kamu kena belajar topik insurance, guys? Logic, right? Of course can apply. Scam No lah. It can help a lot. Kalau terbalik, yes, you can also say cost of treatment is lower than deductible. Also can. Cost rawatan lebih rendah berbanding nilai deductible. Nicholas, don't ask silly question. You go and ask lah to an insurance company. AIA. Guys, have you heard the company name AIA? AIA is an insurance company. Very famous, right? Nicholas, you go and ask that company, got girlfriend insurance or not? See what they answer to you. Great Eastern also another one. Sure, so technically I can become an insurance agent. Must study for it lah. Karthik, all this must study one. Study on this topic more. Okay? All right. So next question, 7B. Oh, Helen. Okay, so Helen underwent surgery 2022 and then the cost is 29,000. So they want you to count the cost borne by Helen. Okay, so how guys? How to do this question? Wow, so fast. Very good, Karthik. Okay, so what's the concept? Okay, so may I know, policy holder, pemegang policy akan ambil nilai apa guys? 85 atau 15? Policy holder. Careful lah guys, must remember. Yes, very good. 15. Okay, always the lower value guys for policy holder. Pemegang policy selalu akan ambil nilai lebih rendah. Okay, yes. 15% times 28400. Okay, because you must remember, you must take the cost minus deductible. Selalu ambil cost tu tolak deductible, then you times 15% times 29900 minus 1500. Okay, this is the concept. And then remember, must add back the deductible. Kena tambah balik deductible kat akhir. Okay, always remember guys, deductible is something paid by the policy holder. Pemegang policy sahaja akan bayar deductible. Syarikat insurance tak akan bayar deductible. Okay, insurance company will never cover your deductible. Okay, can guys? So this is your working. Ini jalan kira dia. Wait Okay, so question 7 we done already. Dah habis. Soalan ke-7. Okay, understand? 1 or 2? Again I ask 1 atau 2. Okay, Akmal, give me a number from 1 to 10. Mr. Akmal. 1 sampai 10. Nombor yang kamu suka. Saya akan panggil orang seterusnya pula for question number 8. So Akmal, number please. Number? What number you like? 1 to 10. Simply give a number only. 9 Don't cheat lah. Oh, Akmal, you really like number 1, is it? Okay, so I put number 1 lah. Alia. Alia, adakah anda di sini? Alia Afrinas. Kalau ada, boleh cakap ya. Okay, yes. Oh, you already answered. Never mind. So, Marcus, he come to you. The next person. Congratulations. Marcus, you talk a lot, right? Come. Answer the question. Jawab soalan. Cakap banyak. Okay. Where you answer? I never see your answer also. Come. Question number 8. Simple only. Okay, so for number 3, please write me the inequality. Yes. Marcus, 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 Marcus. Come. Question A. What's your answer? Condition number 3. Very simple only lah, Marcus. This one. Faster. 1 mark only. Tulis satu ketaksaman linear for question number 3. No, that's not the answer. Careful. Don't get cheated. Marcus, answer please. Yes. Okay, the answer is y greater than or equal to 10. Okay. Now you're back. Very smart, When someone tell the answer, then you come back. Wait, you. Next question. Okay, y greater than or equal to 10. Okay, because they say minimum, guys. Minimum maksudnya simbol ketaksaman yang ni. Okay, so y greater than or equal to 10. Okay, Marcus, 8B. You never answer the simple question. You do the hard question now. Others don't answer. Yang lain jangan jawab. Sampai Marcus jawab. Okay, 8B. May I know? They ask you to shade the region that satisfy the inequality. Okay. So, okay, this one a bit hard lah. Oh. Okay. Never mind. You escape this one. Okay, so guys, basically you have 3 inequality. Am I right? Kamu ada 3 ketaksamaan. So you just need to shade lah. Okay, so x less than 30, you shade to the left. Okay, kamu lorek ke kiri. And then the next one is x plus y less than or equal to 50. Guys, this one is SPM 2023 actual paper, mathematics. Soalan sebenar matematik 2023, kertas 2. Yes, that's why I never ask you. Okay, so x plus y less than or equal to 50, kamu lorek ke bawah garis tu, below the line. Okay, and then the last one, y greater than or equal to 10. So you lorek on top. So guys, where is your intersection, guys? Kat mana persilangan kamu? Kat sini. Am I right? This point, this region over here is the intersection. Persilangan dia. So itu kawasan yang kamu lorek lah. Okay, this is the place where you shade. Okay guys, boleh? Do you understand? Okay, so when you have less than or greater than, this is we will use dotted line. Okay, garis putus-putus untuk simbol ketaksaman macam ni. And then if like this, garis yang tebal, solid line. Okay, do you understand guys? So make sure when you have x less than 30, it must be dotted. Kena putus-putus. Kalau lukis solid, habis. Okay, make sure you correct. Yes, admaths also same concept. Form 5 chapter 7 admaths pun sama. Macam ni. Okay, are you guys clear? 1 or 2? Come on. I need your number. 1 atau 2. Yes, that's the spirit. Very good. Okay, next one. Number 9. This one hard. Transformasi, guys. Form 5 chapter 5. A lot of you don't like this. Okay, so Marcus, give me a number. Oh, no, sorry. You answer this question. Marcus, don't escape now. 9A. May I know what's the answer? They ask you to state whether triangle APB and QBC are congruent or not. So what is your answer? Now he never go toilet already. Answer me now, Mr. Marcus. APB and also BQC, congruent or not? Guys, other people also answer already. Guys, yang lain jangan jawab dulu. The rest don't answer first. I wait for Marcus. Marcus, congruent or not? May I know? Congruent tu maksudnya sama size, sama bentuk. Okay? Same shape, same size. Yes, sama sudut pun boleh kata lah. So Marcus, where are you? Type number 1 if you're here. Oh, never mind lah. If you really in toilet, then it's okay. Okay, so I call the next person lah. Kartik lah. Okay, Kartik, answer me. Congruent or not? These two triangle. Okay, yes. Okay, so reason? What is your reason? AP equal to PQ. Cannot. Oh, you're talking about the angle, is it? Yes, can. You can be more specific, guys. When you say same shape, they already tell you it's equilateral triangle. Segitiga sama sisi. So maksudnya panjang yang ni akan sama dengan panjang yang ni. Am I right? So you can say that yes, because AB is equal to BC. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay, kamu cakap ya sebab AB sama dengan BC. That's all. Okay, you compare the lengths, bandingkan panjang. Okay, because they say it's equilateral triangle. Segitiga sama sisi. Okay, clear? Okay, so we go to next one. They ask you to describe the transformation. Okay, huraikan transformasi. So Kartik, may I know what's the answer? Okay, they're talking about PQR and ABC. Okay, so this is PQR and ABC. Okay, so what is happening over here? What transformation? Just tell me the general one. This one very simple. You can see already. No need to do anything. Yes, enlargement. Okay, so is it positive enlargement or negative enlargement? May I know? Positive or negative? Very good. Okay, so now I help you lah. Okay, to find the center and the scale factor. You can tell me what is the scale factor over here. Yes, very good. 1/2. Okay, so for the center, you just need to connect the points, guys. Okay, hubungkan semua titik sahaja. Okay, so if you connect correctly, your center should get at here. Okay, your answer should be 3, 2, guys. Okay, jawapan dia akan dapat 3, 2. Okay, so can you see, guys? All the line, they intersect at this point. Okay? Kamu bandingkan panjang dia saja. Okay, so this is your center. 3, 2. This is not tessellation lah, guys. This is enlargement. Normal transformation. Transformasi biasa. Yes, correct. Okay, so untuk orang tanya macam mana dapat 1/2. Okay, so nampak. Ini PQR. Ini ABC. So boleh nampak tak? Dia 2 kali ganda. Boleh nampak kan? Tengok panjang yang ni. Dan bandingkan dengan panjang yang ni. 2 times lah, guys. Is 2 times bigger. Okay, 2 kali ganda. Okay, that's why 1/2. Okay, because PQR, dia cakap image. Okay, so PQR dia ambil 2 kotak. ABC, panjang AB, 4 kotak. So, faktor skala 1/2 lah. Image over object. Okay? Chloe, since you type caps to me, right? So I think I should call your name now. Am I right? Since you type caps. So I noticed already. You want to answer the next question or not? Oh, don't want lah. Okay, never mind. Okay, so guys, this is your answer for question B. Okay? So kamu boleh cakap macam ni. 3 marks lah, guys. Ada 3 markah. Okay, so first step, first mark, you must say enlargement, pembesaran. Second mark, you must say your center, pusat. Very smart, Third mark, scale factor, faktor skala. Okay, Marcus, next question for you. Come, number 10. Soalan ke-10. Yes, he's back. No rotation. No? Where got rotation? Guys, how to rotate this? One object is larger, this one, and another object is smaller. So obvious, enlargement lah. The size changing. Can you see? What we mean? Okay. ABC is the larger one. PQR is the smaller one inside. So confirm enlargement one. Okay. And also they are talking under single transformation. You must understand. Okay, rotation can, putaran boleh, but the question want you single transformation. Transformasi tunggal. Means only one answer. You cannot give 2 answer. Tak boleh 2 jawapan. Okay? Just negative? Yes, correct. Actually, it undergo rotation also. But they just want you to give 1 only. Satu sahaja. Okay? Alright. So give the obvious one. Bagi yang sangat senang nak nampak. Putaran tak senang nak nampak. Tengok perbezaan ketara, guys. Ketara yang kamu nampak tu size kan? So bagi jawapan yang lebih ketara. So kalau saiz tu berubah maksudnya pembesaran lah. Yes. Okay. Alright. So question 10, Marcus, you want or not? Or I call someone else. Okay, so Karthik, give me a number, 1 to 10. Or should I? Okay, never mind lah. I do the question on my own. You guys very susah one. No need, no need. I discuss the question on my own. Okay, so for question A, don't want. Later. Okay, so for soalan A, guys, section C, I call your name. Boleh? Bahagian C. Section C is the hardest one. So I do for section C. Okay, so for 10A, they ask you to count the chargeable income. They ask whether the statement correct or not. Adakah pernyataan ni betul ke tak? Subtract the total amount from her total annual income. So is this step correct or not, guys? Adakah langkah ni betul ke tak? Yes or no? Very simple. Everyone answer. Semua jawab. Adakah langkah yang dia kata kat sini betul ke tak? Jumlah amount ditolak daripada jumlah pendapatan. Okay, reason? What is your reason? Why you say wrong? Okay, kenapa salah? Kena bagi sebab. Yes. Yes. Okay, because she does not need to minus the tax rebate. Okay, dia tidak perlu menolak rebat cukai. Okay, when you count chargeable income, you no need to minus the tax rebate. You must understand. Okay, you only minus tax relief and tax exemption. Okay, kamu hanya perlu menolak pelepasan dan pengecualian cukai sahaja. Okay, so this is your answer for 10A. Okay, so you just say like this lah. Okay, jawapan dia. 1 mark only. Okay, clear, right? Okay, so next one. Next question, they ask you to count the income tax, guys. Kamu kena cari cukai pendapatan. Okay, so first step, chargeable income. Okay, so chargeable income, 69200. Okay, so first step, you must count what, guys? Kena cari apa? Bila nak cari cukai pendapatan, when you want to find income tax, what is your first step? Find what? Kena cari apa? Come on. Yes, kena cari pendapatan bercukai, guys. Chargeable income. Okay, so macam mana cari? Total income minus tax relief minus tax exemption. Okay, ambil jumlah pendapatan, tolak pelepasan dan pengecualian cukai. Okay, so then kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, this is your first step. Okay, second step, buat apa, guys? You must refer your jadual. Okay, so dia akan masuk bawah sini. Okay, so your base rate or base tax cukai asas 1800. Okay, so kena tambah dengan balance. Okay, baki dia 13% kali balance. Okay, so balance is 230 minus 50,000, 50,000. Okay, and then you just times 13% to this value. Boleh, guys? Tambah dengan 1,100, 1,800. Okay, so this is your working, guys. Ini jalan kira kamu. Do you all understand? Can get it right? The working. Okay, very standard one. Selalu kamu akan jumpa macam ni. Okay, so now, do I need to minus anything else, guys? For my final answer? Tengok soalan sekali lagi. Adakah saya perlu tolak apa-apa lagi? Yes. Always remember, guys, tax rebate you always minus at the end. Tolak rebat cukai kat akhir saja. Jangan tolak dia kat awal bila kamu cari pendapatan bercukai kamu. Okay? When you find chargeable income, don't minus your tax rebate. Only minus at the end. When to take 1800 and when to take 2600. Oh, this is your base tax. 1800 is your base tax. Cukai asas. So it will be your starting value. 2600, we never use this value, guys. Kamu perasan tak? Kita takkan guna nilai yang kedua. Ayo, okay lah. Okay, so boleh faham? So always take the above value. Ambil yang atas saja. Sebab nilai tu adalah untuk full 13%, 2600. Tapi kat sini nilai dia bukan full. Okay, dia setengah sahaja daripada nilai akan dikenakan cukai. Lihat kat sini. Next 20,000 baru 2600. So guys, nilai ni tak sampai 20,000 lagi. So that's why tak boleh 2600 lah. Yang tu bantu kamu saja bila nilai dia tepat-tepat 20,000. perbezaan yang ni. The difference here is 20,000, then you can take 2600. Okay? Yes, correct. Alright. So you can see the wording lah. Okay, nampak perkataan dia. Okay, so this is your calculation. Okay, then you will get the answer. This one in textbook got actually. Tax relief is more on when you do donations, all the stuff. You donate to government organization, charity, you will get tax relief. Or NGO, you donate to NGO. Then tax exemption is more on, let me think and see. You borrow book from library. Okay, kamu pinjam buku dari perpustakaan, something like that. Because they want to increase the reading culture in Malaysia. Am I right? Mereka nak tambah budaya membaca buku. Borrow, I'm not sure. I think it's buy. I think must buy, if not mistaken. You can check and see. Google and see. Okay? Alright. So guys, we have completed section A already. Kita dah habis bahagian A. Okay, so now we come to the section B already. Bahagian B. Alright. So Olivia, you want to answer, right? So may I know what is the answer for 11A? What are the two types of financial goals? The one. Marcus, you're going to kena from me nicely lah. If you're here right now, right, I don't know what I do to you already. Next time I should open physical class lah, guys. Next time saya kena buka class physical dah. Anyone in Penang, come to my house and learn. Plus online. You are the first victim, for me. Direct kena beating for me. Not Falim, near Georgetown. Physical class next time. I'm ready to face it. Ready, Wow. Okay, never mind. So I do this question lah, guys. Dua jenis matlamat kewangan. Guys, financial goal, guys. Two type of financial goal. Not active and passive. That one is type of income. Yes. Long term and short term. Very good. Okay. Jangka panjang dan jangka pendek. That's all. That's your answer. Okay. So now, 11B1. They ask you to determine the cash flow. Okay. Kamu kena tentukan aliran tunai. So guys, how do you count the cash flow? You just take income plus income and then minus all your expenses. Okay, tolak semua nilai ni, guys. Minus all of this one by one. Okay, tekan calculator sahaja. Okay, so you will get the answer. Let me see. Okay, so your answer you will get 1842. Okay, 1842. Okay, so guys, what type of cash flow is this? May I know? Apa jenis aliran tunai yang ni? What is the answer? Jenis aliran tunai. What type of cash flow? Yes, very good. We call it as positive cash flow. Okay, aliran tunai positive. No, sometimes subjective also can ask theory one. Sometimes, depend on the question. Guys, jangan ingat fakta saja adalah objektif. Kalau macam ni kamu nampak, yang ni juga fakta. Am I right? Jenis matlamat kewangan. So, kamu kena tahu juga, walaupun dia subjektif. Okay? Alright. So, now, question B2. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to count the difference between monthly saving and cash flow. Okay, so they want to, okay, so this one is marriage lah. Okay, marriage. So, of course, you have to pay dowry. Okay, so jumlah untuk berkahwin. Okay, so guys, may I know what is your first step? What are you going to do here? What is the monthly savings? Dowry is like this one there. In BM is called as wang hantaran. Wang hantaran. I think it's like, how to say this? Is to like pay money to organize the marriage. You get me? The cost, all the wedding place, the decoration, the food, hadiah lah, something like that. Okay, all right. So macam hadiah. Okay, so guys, what is your monthly saving here? May I know? Apa simpanan bulanan kat sini? Anyone? See carefully. All the things you need to do over here. Bulanan, guys, take note. They say monthly. So careful. So what is your value? Come on. Apa jawapan dia, guys? Cepat, cepat. What is your monthly one? Monthly saving? Anyone? 10850. Huh? That's all? Are you sure? See carefully, guys, the question. You have to pay this one and also this one. Yes. Plus semua bahagi 12, guys. Correct. So you plus this value and this value together. Okay. Tambah dua-dua ni bahagi 12. Okay. Because this one is within a year. Okay. 1 tahun. So you need to divide the answer by 12. Okay. Bagi jawapan dengan 12. Okay. So now they ask you the difference, guys. Beza. So you just minus your cash flow. Okay. Tolak saja aliran tunai kamu. Okay, so then you will get the answer for question 2A. Okay, so ini adalah jawapan dia. Okay, alright, so now question B. They ask you to suggest 2 changes to the financial plan. Guys, careful here. 2 suggestion. Be reasonable with your suggestion. Macam mana kamu nak cadangkan dia ubah plan kewangan dia? Bagi saya jawapan. Sangat general, guys. Kamu lihatlah. Dah masuk dah semua jawapan yang tak logik. See your table correctly, guys. Okay, you must be specific, guys. Don't say reduce variable expenses. Jangan cakap reduce variable expenses. You must say what expenses. Kena cakap secara spesifik. GrabFood jangan cakap, jangan cakap macam tu. Okay, be specific. Look at your quantity over here. Fixed expenses kamu tak boleh ubah apa-apa. Am I right? Okay, sebab dia adalah tetap. So kamu tak boleh cakap apa-apa tentang yang ni. You can only focus over here. Yes. Okay, reduce your food and drink. Sama? Selain makanan minuman, kena kurangkan apa, guys? Tengok. Yes. Utility bill can. Petrol can. Telephone bill also can. Jangan cakap general. Yes, part-time job also can. No problem. Boleh cakap. Yes, umum elakkan. Cakap secara spesifik jawapan kamu. Okay, do part-time job. Buat kerja sambilan. So that you can increase your passive income or active income also can. Okay. Car. What do you mean car? Investment. Investment is for long term. Am I right? But this one, he needs the money very fast. It's short term one. So investment is not really a good suggestion. Gambling, guys. Anyone write this answer, you be careful, guys. I pray for your answer to be marked by a very good examiner. I pray already. You pray your hand like this to every single god. You say, guys, beg for money, Oh, you guys are very smart, lah. Too smart already for the question. Guys, please give logic answer, guys. Tolong bagi jawapan logic. Okay, I beg you. Okay, so these are the 2 answers. Or any other answer can also can. Scamming people, very smart lah. Ayo, this kind of question I very scared lah for you guys. Soalan senang macam ni, kamu semua akan fikir terlebih punya. You guys will overthink, and then give a silly answer over here. 2 marks, Ask to Buan Wasa. Ayo. Okay, so this is question 11, Okay, so 1 or 2? 1 atau 2 untuk soalan 11. Okay, right? Okay, so now we come question 12. Okay, so for question 12, may I know what is your size of class interval? Apa size selang kelas kamu kat sini? Yes, Davisi, ada soalan ke? One say 10, one say 9. The rest, what do you all say? What is your size of class? Yes, it's 10, guys. Okay, jawapan dia 10. Okay, you must take. You can count lah with your hand. Okay, kira sahaja dengan yes, I know Karthik, but don't answer like that in exam. You live in Malaysia, am I right? So be careful lah when you say this kind of sensitive issue, all that. Okay, play smart lah, guys. You play smart when you answer the question. Okay, so 70 to 79. You get the consequence lah. You lose the mark. 99% gamblers quit before they win because they scared they lose the money in the end. Okay, so guys, 70 to 79, you just count only using your finger. Okay, Yes lah, I know you Chinese, you're very smart. Okay, sorry for anyone Chinese over here. I know Chinese are the best at gambling. Okay, so 70 to 79, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 lah. Okay, you just count with your fingers. Okay, kira dengan jari saja. Okay, so the answer is 10. Okay, so what is the range of the data, guys? Apa jumlah data? Anyone? Range. Yes. Okay, answer is 60. Guys, focus back. You all talking about money. Ayo, you guys. SPM first. Okay, 60. Correct. So how you get 60? How? Macam mana? You're going to take the midpoint. Am I right? Kamu kena cari titik tengah kedua-dua kelas yang ni. Okay, find the midpoint and then take the larger value minus smaller value. Okay, ambil nilai besar tolak nilai kecil. Okay, so this is your answer over here. Okay, ini jawapan kamu. Alright, so your range can do like this. Okay, guys, do you understand? No need to mention, I can see. Very little, right? Yeah, but I feel like SPM, yeah, not that hard. Guys, saya tanya kamu lah secara jujur. Adakah soalan ni sampai sekarang saya bincang susah ke tak? Is it hard or not? What I discuss so far? Semua orang tolong respon. All of you answer me. Is it hard or not? Susah ke tak? Sampai soalan 12 sekarang. Easy, right? Tak rasa susah kan? Easy lah. Okay, so the range is 60. 60. Okay, so next one. They ask you to find the value of X, guys. Cari nilai X. Kalau pelanggan kamu, jumlah dia is 68. Okay, so how did you find selang kelas? Oh, selang kelas is just count with your finger. 70 to 79. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. No need working one. Okay, just state the answer directly. Okay, so now they ask you to find X, guys. So may I know what's the answer for your X? They say the total is 68. Jumlah dia 68. Yes, you just take 68 minus all the answer lah, guys. Tolak semua jawapan yang ni, find your X. That's all. Okay, so this is the working. Jalan kira. Okay, so now 12B. They ask you to draw frequency polygon, guys. So those that still don't know how to draw, focus. Siapa tak tahu macam mana lukis lagi frequency polygon, masih confused, dengar betul-betul apa yang saya share. Okay? Alright, so over here you need to draw two. Wait, let me see. Okay, one only. Satu saja. Satu sudah diberi. Okay, you only need to draw one. Does not mean you can start from anywhere on the x-axis. Okay, something like this, right? You can start from here. So if you want to start from here, also can. Or jive. Both also correct. Depend on your data. Okay? All right. So now, they want you to draw for the second day, guys. Kamu kena lukis guna data hari kedua. Okay. So means that you must use all this data over here. So guys, y-axis, frequency polygon, paksi y. Apa label dia? What is your y-axis label? It's okay lah. Now you focus on SPM already. Are you sure? Are you sure kekerapan tonggokan? Careful lah, guys. Frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. Kekerapan. Yes. Okay, your y-axis is your frequency. Kekerapan. Or you can say number of customer. Bilangan pelanggan. Two answer only. Okay, and then x-axis. X-axis is what? For your frequency polygon. Anyone? Paksi X. Yes. This one lah, guys. Yang ni adalah paksi X kamu. X-axis. Okay, so frequency polygon, you guys plot using midpoint or upper boundary, lower boundary. May I know? Everyone here. Kamu guna titik tengah atau sempadan atas bawah untuk plot paksi X kamu. Frequency polygon. Okay, the answer is dua-dua pun boleh. Both also can. Okay, but if you are used to Nicholas, you see this carefully. Is this ojive? May I ask you? You see the answer. Okay, you can use midpoint or upper boundary, lower boundary. Okay, sempadan atas, sempadan bawah. Alright, so depends. on your data. Okay, so your data here, there is nothing given. Okay, tak ada apa-apa yang diberi. So you can choose lah. Okay, simple. I think it's midpoint. Okay, kamu boleh guna titik tengah. Okay, so you just plot only. This is your new graph, guys. The one in green, yang hijau ni adalah apa yang kamu kena lukis. Okay, the green color one. Okay, alright. So do you understand this graph? Boleh dapat kan, guys? Simple, right? You just plot only one by one. Okay, and then make sure touch your x-axis. Okay, frequency polygon kamu kena sentuh paksi x. It must touch x-axis. Jangan bagi dia terapung macam ni. Don't make it floating. Okay, dia salah kalau tak sentuh paksi x. Okay, guys, I want to ask you lah. Mathematics, you all got speaking test May I know? Mathematics, kamu semua ada ujian bertutur ke? Bagi tahu saya sekarang. Tak ada kan? So guys, is pronouncing the word important? Adakah cara kamu bagi tahu ojive tu penting ke tak? Unless you're going to use it in your BM or BI lah, guys. If suddenly BM, BI bertutur, kamu kena bagi tahu perkataan ojive kat pemeriksa, okay. I tell you how to pronounce for BM and English. I don't think so, right? Okay, so don't worry. Any way you say it also can, as long people understand. Okay, so now, all right. So this one, right, guys? Frequency polygon. Yes, you must use ruler. Okay, kena guna pembaris, guys. Take note, it is not freehand. Dia bukan tangan bebas. Kena guna pembaris. Okay, any question, guys, on your frequency polygon? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya kat sini? One or two? Satu atau dua? So kita dah nak habis soalan 12. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is how you score the marks, guys. Okay, 3 marks. So you must plot all the 7 points correct. Kena plot semua titik betul. And then all the points are passed. Okay, 9 points. 9 titik akan dilalui oleh garis kekerapan longgokan. Okay, then you will score 3 marks. Okay, so now 12C1, they ask you to state the distribution shape. Okay, nyatakan bentuk tabuhan. So guys, may I know what is the distribution shape here? What is it? Apa bentuk tabuhan, guys? Kat sini. Bell shape, very good. Yes. Okay, this is what we call as bell shape. Okay, so bell shape is the black one. There are two answers, guys. Ada dua jawapan. Okay, one is bell shape untuk yang warna hitam. Okay, warna hitam tu lonceng. Black one is bell shape. Then the green one, yang hijau tu apa, guys? Macam mana kamu nak huraikan? The green color one. Anyone? Yang hijau punya apa? Yes. Left or right? Left. Yes, correct. The answer is left. Why left? Because you see more data, guys, on the left hand side. Boleh nampak? Ada banyak lagi data terkumpul pada sebelah kiri. That's why kita panggil dia pencong ke kiri. Left skewed. You see on the right, guys. Nampak kat kanan. Sangat kecil saja kan? It's very less. So macam mana bandingkan? Kamu bandingkan dengan titik tertinggi, guys. So ini semua kiri, ini semua kanan. You compare with the highest point. The one to the left of your highest point is left skewed. The one to the right from your maximum point is right skewed. So tengoklah mana ada lebih banyak data. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, bell shape and also left skewed. Okay, all right. So now they tell you which day represent the expenditure on the day the supermarket held a special sale. So antara dua hari ni, guys, mana yang menggambarkan ada jualan atau promosi yang sangat bagus? Hitam atau hijau? So why you say second day? Bell is the black one. Skewed is right one. Okay? Sorry, green one. Okay? So which one, guys? Black or green? Yes. Okay, the answer is green, guys. Okay, green is the one that has the special promotion. Okay, promosi yang hebat. Okay, why? Because you see that the customers actually are spending more money. Okay, mereka tengah belanja lebih banyak wang. Okay, so that is the reason for question number 2. Okay, they spend more money. Okay, so you can say something like this. for part 2. Okay, guys? Yeah. You just look at the point actually. Okay? Then you will understand already. Refer your x-axis, guys. Tengok paksi X untuk graf garis hijau. Black one is bell shape. Green one is skewed to the left. Okay? So you just refer x-axis. Which one have a higher value? Okay? Can proceed, guys? Question number 13. Yes, correct. Yeah. Okay, guys, boleh pergi ya. Question number 13. Okay, so question number 13 is your Form 4 Chapter 5. Okay, so now may I know? Yes, correct. Okay, so what is the label should be used for vertex Q? Anyone? Vertex Q adalah apa kat sini? So they say that got activities, bowling, badminton, hiking. So vertex Q is which one? Form 4 Chapter 5 lah. Network in Graph Theory. Rangkaian dalam teori graph. Okay. So vertex Q is what, guys? Among these three. Antara tiga ni. Come on. What's the answer? Correct. Okay, the answer is hiking. Mendaki. Okay, because you see three things. Three people. Or you see Surya lah. Very simple. Okay, so Q to P connected by Surya. So means that the answer should be hiking lah for Q. Alright. So mendaki untuk Q. Alright. Okay, so next one. They say state the label which should be used for HK. Tepi K. What is the label, guys? This one over here. Q to R. So kamu nampak lah orang kat ada dalam dua-dua tempat. So K, which one? Yes, very good. Pandian. Okay, so the answer is Pandian. Understand? Boleh dapat? Very smart dah, Kartik. Your gang lah. Okay? So the answer is that one. Okay, boleh? Oi, very smart are you, Nicholas? Okay, so now number 2. Understand, right? Boleh dapat kan, guys? Can, right? I better not say. Later you get offended. I don't want to say what it means. Then you get offended one. Never mind. Okay, so next. Okay, so next question. 13B. They say complete the diagram to draw an undirected and weighted graph. Okay, guys, stop talking about your friends. Focus over here. Okay, so 13B1. They want you to draw a undirected and weighted graph. Okay, graph tata arah dan berpemberat. Okay, so they're asking to draw for 7.2. Okay, so you just need to complete the diagram, guys. Kena isikan wajah sahaja. Okay, so the diagram they actually give you already. Mereka dah bagi. So you just need to fill up with all the values. Okay, dan gantikan semua dengan nilai sahaja. Alright, so you just refer the values from here. Okay, you just need to write down the weightage. Okay, bagi tahu pemberat dia. Okay, easy right, guys, to complete the graph. Boleh kan yang ni? Okay, you just draw any shape you like. Boleh lukis macam mana kamu suka. As long as you involve all the vertex over here. Okay, everything over here. You just draw how you like. Lukis macam mana kamu suka. Okay, so this is one example only of the answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, alright. So next one, 13B3. Hey, wait. I think B2 the question cut. Wait, guys. 13B2. Okay, so for 13B2, they ask you to draw a tree with minimum total weight. Okay, kamu kena lukis satu pokok berpemberat minimum. Can cut two line. What do you mean? Can cut two line? Yes, can. No problem. Can. Okay, no worries. Can one. Okay, dia boleh silang, guys. Kalau nampak macam ni pun boleh. Kalau nampak dia silang is okay. Lukis saja. Okay, alright. So now question B2. They ask you to draw a tree, guys, from your answer. Dari jawapan yang ni, lukis satu pokok. So guys, you must understand lah, minimum total weight. Okay, maksudnya yang terkecil. So guys, how to draw? So first step, you must remember, you must involve all the points. Okay, kamu kena guna semua titik. Means that pokok kamu kena ada semua titik yang ni. You must have totally 6 points, your 3. Or 6 vertex. Okay, 6 vertex. So kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, this is your answer. So guys, you must remember, if you have 6 vertex, how many edges you have guys? Berapa sisi kamu akan ada kalau ada 6 vertex? Yes. Okay, the answer is 5 guys. Remember, for 3, the number of edge is number of vertex minus 1. Okay, bilangan vertex tolak 1. 1? What do you mean 1? Oh, then it won't exist lah. Bowen, how are you going to draw a 3 if you have 0 edges? Means you have no line. That is not called a 3 already. Okay? Alright. So this is your diagram. Very smart lah. Okay. So you will get the minimum lah. So guys, how to know what is the minimum? Macam mana nak tahu apa minimum dia? Okay, you must use some logic lah. Okay, kamu kena guna logic sikit. Okay, try to find the, yes, trial and error only lah. Okay, so you just see lah. You can start with a point. Mula dengan satu titik. Okay, let's say I start with R. Okay, saya mula dengan R. Okay, so for R, kamu ada beberapa jalan. Am I right? You have 4. So you must choose the one that is minimum. Okay, pilih yang minimum. Okay, mungkin kamu kata 7.2. Am I right? Okay, tapi tak boleh kat sini. Okay, because if you choose 7.2, yang lain pula akan jadi maximum. Okay, so you have to trial and error only. Okay, try to get the smallest value. Cuba dapat paling rendah selepas beberapa kali. Okay, so your answer will get something like this. Okay, so your total kamu just kira sajalah. Okay, tambah semua nilai yang ni saja. Okay, just add up all the value, then you will get the answer. Okay, boleh guys? Can, right? Okay, so question 3 is asking you the 2 shortest journey. Okay, 2 yang terpendek. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena berdasarkan yang ni lah guys. Okay, you refer your diagram and list down 2 shortest journey. 2 yang terpendek. Okay, so there are 2 possibility, ZB PAK and ZR PAK. So these are the 2 answer. Boleh guys? Can, right? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Untuk soalan 13. Question number 13. Are you all okay? Come on guys. I need to see your number. Sangat senyap Dani. Very quiet Adi. Semangat, right? Okay. Next one. Okay, soalan ke-14. It will cut many marks if I didn't plot the numbers. You mean all this number? Will cut 1. Can you see? 1 mark only. 1 markah. Okay, all weightages label correctly. Okay, same for this one. 1 mark also. Okay. All right. So next one. So now we come to question 14 already. Okay, soalan ke-14. Okay, so this one is on your 3. 3 question is asking you the shortest route. 2 shortest routes. Yeah. So that's why you must try to think of 2 answer from this diagram. Okay. Of course, the first answer is this one lah. Your on top answer, because that is the shortest already. So you find the second, the one after it. Okay. All right. So question 14. This one is your trigo, guys. This one they are talking about your form 5 chapter 6 trigo. So guys, no lah, don't worry. Okay guys, so what is the minimum water level here? Siapa yang ni dapat salah, ketuk kepala kamu 3 kali. Knock your head 3 times if you get wrong. Okay, because this is so simple. Yang ni minimum saja. Guys, kalau kamu tak boleh jawab yang ni saya pun tak tahu lah macam mana lah. Okay, very hard. Okay, you just see the minimum point lah guys. Tengok titik minimum, itu minimum lah. 1. Okay, that's all. Settle. Okay, next one. Soalan kedua. Quit life at that point. Length of time if the watershed is open. Okay, nak jangka masa. Okay, so what is the jangka masa, guys? Time period. How to find time period, guys? Hey, wait, let me see carefully. Length of time that the gate of the watershed is open. No. Over here, they're not asking time period. Sorry. They are asking you the time when the watershed is open. Bila keadaan air itu terbuka? Yes. Okay, the answer is 2, guys. Okay, why 2? You're going to take this value. Because when the watershed is open, of course, it will go down. Am I right, guys? The water level will drop. Okay, paras air itu akan berkurang bila tempat keadaan air itu terbuka. So kamu kena rujuk bahagian graf berkurang lah. Just refer to the part where the graph decrease. Okay, that's why time period is 2. Okay, next one. They ask you to write down the equation of the graph, guys. Kamu kena tulis persamaan graph. Okay, so may I know what is your A value here, guys? Apa nilai A? Amplitude. Anyone? Okay, very good. Your amplitude here is 1, guys. Okay, nilai amplitude 1. Why? Okay, you just refer over here lah, guys. Nilai dia 1. Am I right? Okay, your amplitude equal to 1. Okay, wow, so fast. Okay, never mind, I explain. Okay, C is very easy. C is your y-intercept, pintasan y. So that's why answer 2. And then nilai B, B value you just need to take 360 bahagi the time for one complete cycle. Masa untuk satu kitaran lengkap. Okay, maksudnya 4 lah. Yang ni adalah tempoh masa, time period, T. Okay, so that's why bahagi dengan 4. Okay, so that's why your answer is 90. Hopefully you can get it. Okay, so your answer will just be this one. Okay, jawapan dia macam ni. Y equal to sin 90x plus 2. Understand, right? Boleh dapatkan, guys. Okay, next one. Again, where is it? Which part you don't understand? Oh, B value is it? B value, you just use the formula 360 over time period. That's all. Your time period here is 4. That's why B value is 90. Okay? Can? That's all. Can you explain plus 2? Plus 2 is your y-intercept. No, Ativa. C value. Nilai C merujuk kepada pintasan y. So C equal to 2 lah. Okay? If not time, then divide what in general? Any quantity you see on the x-axis. Just refer your x-axis for the time, for the one period. If it's not time also, you just see one complete sine cycle or cos cycle or tangent cycle, you divide that answer. That's all. Highest x-axis, yes. But you must see the shape of the graph. Sometimes they might repeat the graph twice. Can you see? This is one sine cycle. This is 2 sine cycle. So you must refer only this one cycle. Remember, bahagi dengan masa ataupun apa-apa untuk satu kitaran lengkap sahaja. Only for one cycle. Okay, yes, correct. All right. Okay, so next one. They ask you to find the depth when the time is 150. So guys, what should I do here? You just need to substitute. Am I right? Ganti x equal to 150. Yes, very good, Karthik. You will get y equal to 1.29. Okay, so kamu gantikan saja, guys. Just substitute in your equation. Okay, over here you must convert to hours. Okay, because your axis is in hours, guys. Okay, kamu kena tukar jawapan kamu dari minit ke jam. Okay, because your x-axis is in hours. Okay, so this value kamu kena tukar ke jam. Then kamu gantikan. Alright. Okay, so next one. C1. They ask you to draw the graph, guys. So you must draw the graph now. Okay, so for this graph is different. Dia berbeza sikit. Okay, because they tell you a complete cycle will happen every 2 hours. Bowen, this is the question you ask. So now may I know what is your new B value now? Tell me, guys. Kalau kamu faham tadi macam mana kira nilai B, apa nilai B untuk situasi yang ni? What is your B value? May I know? Everyone here. Tell me. What is your B value? Yes, 360 bahagi masa untuk satu kitaran lengkap 2 jam, 2 hours. So that's why B equal to 180. Kamu dah dapat lah. Okay, so your new equation is Y equal to sin 180x tambah 2. Kamu ubah nilai B saja. Just change your B value. Okay, so then you just need to plot the graph. Okay, so graph, you have to plot a few points lah, guys. Kamu kena plot beberapa titik. Okay, so you just plot from x equal to 0 until x equal to 4. Yes, many lah. Just press calculator only, guys. Okay, this is your equation now. Sin 180x plus 2. So you just substitute lah. Semua nilai x satu per satu. Tekan calculator. Find your y value. Okay, and then you can draw the graph. Boleh lukis graph ni. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so how they mark your graph? Macam mana kamu dapat markah? Okay, so you must have 2 minimum, 2 maximum, and 2 sign graph. So kalau kamu ada 3 point ni, you will get 2 marks. Okay, all the 3 point must have for 2 marks. Okay, so kalau 1 point tak ada, 1 markah lah. Okay, 1 mark only. Okay, do you guys understand? Boleh dapat, guys, how to draw the graph? Okay, so of course you must know how to know the general shape of a sine graph. Okay, so ini adalah bentuk asas lah, graph sinus. Okay, so kamu ubah saja bentuk dia. Just change according to your ABC value. Okay, alright. So 1 or 2, guys, 1 atau 2, comment. Line cause 1 type of sin. You still remember my acronym, Not bad. The rest, 1 or 2, tengah tidur atau masih hidup? 1 or 2, guys. Type. Baru saya tahu kamu faham ke tak. I must know whether you understand. Sangat faham. Okay. Okay. Alright, so next question. C2. They ask you to explain the difference, guys, in frequency. Okay, kamu kena bagi perbezaan dari segi frequency. Alright. So what is the difference, guys? Can anyone tell me? So you have to compare your B value. Am I right? Asal nilai B is 90, but now my B become 180. So what is the difference, guys, in term of frequency? Apa perbezaan dia? Kamu boleh nampak kan? So what is the difference? The difference is how many times? Berapa kali ganda? Anyone? Come on. How many times? Berapa kali ganda kat sini, guys? Yes, 2 times lah. 90 ubah 180. So 2 kali lah frequency. Guys, if you take physics, kamu semua kenal kan rumus ni. Who take physics over here? You know this formula. Am I right? F sama dengan 1 bahagi T. Kenal kan? So kalau masa darab 2, frequency setengah lah. Macam tu. Kalau frequency darab 2, tempoh masa setengah. Oh, never mind. It's okay. For those arts team student, it's okay. You don't need to understand what I say. This one only for physics. Okay, so you can answer like this. Boleh jawab macam ni. Okay, so you just say for the original graph, 4 hours, 4 jam, one time release. And then for the latest graph is 2 times, 2 kali you release in 4 hours. Because your B value, nilai B dah ganda 2. So when your B value times 2, mean that your number of complete cycle times 2, ganda 2. So that's why they say 2 times. Okay? Do you all understand, guys? Boleh dapat kan? Very basic, right? So next one. Soalan ke-15. Soalan ni senang lah, guys. Very simple lah, guys. Matrix. Sangat senang. Bonus markah semua yang ni. Okay, so guys, tell me, what is your X and Y value here? Bagi jawapan. Cepat. So simple. So anyone? Yes. Okay, Y equal to negative 2 or 5. X value. Apa nilai X, guys? Come on. Yes. Okay, X equal to negative 4. Correct. Okay, so bandingkan sajalah. X tambah 3 equal to negative 1. Negative 2 sama dengan 5Y. Okay, so cari nilai X dan Y. Alright. So your working is something like this. Ini jalan kira dia. Okay. Alright. So question B1. Okay, question B1 they ask you to use the matrix method. So kamu tak boleh guna kaedah persamaan serentak. You cannot do simultaneous. Only matrix method. Okay, so they tell 55, 3 box, 2 pieces. Kelly spent 20 more on 4 box and 3 pieces. Okay, so over here, first equation. What is your first equation, guys? Apa persamaan pertama kamu? Anyone? So kamu boleh buat anggapan lah. nilai X dan Y kamu kat sini. You just make an assumption on your X and Y value. Okay, very good. So means that X is sushi, Y is fried chicken. So 3X plus 2Y equal to 55. Second equation guys, persamaan kedua, may I know? So mereka cakap Kelly membelanjakan lebih RM20. So what is your new one? Yes, 4x plus 3, Bowen, typo 3y equal to 75. Okay, 55 plus 20, you get 75. Okay, then you can start matrix tadi. Kamu boleh mula guna kaedah matrix. Okay, so it will look something like this. Nampak macam ni. Alright? So, do you guys understand? Boleh dapat kan? Okay, you must do inverse matrix over here. Kena buat matrix songsangan. Okay, so you just use the formula 1 over AD minus BC, DA, negative B, negative C. Okay, kat sini. Alright, can get it? Boleh dapat guys? 1 or 2? So this is your final answer. Solve for your X and Y only. Okay? Y hilang. Got what? This one is your inverse matrix. Bowen, over here. Ini adalah matrix songsang. Okay? Because 9 minus 8 is 1. Bowen, this value is 1. So 1 divide 1, nothing lah. Okay, so you only need to times these two. Then you get the answer. That's all. Can also. Sometimes question can come like that. Okay guys. So kat sini kamu hanya perlu jawab dua ni sajalah. Sebab yang ni seluruh nilai dia 1. So tak perlu buat apa-apa. Okay. Alright. So next one. Question B2. Okay guys. This one you must use matrix multiplication. Pendaraban matrix. Tak boleh darab suka hati. Okay. So now. They say she want to buy 2 box of sushi and 8-piece fried chicken. Okay, so got off. Okay, so first step, of course, you must find what is the price lah, guys, after discount. Okay, kamu kena cari harga selepas discount. So guys, original sushi RM15. Okay, so they have 20% discount. So what is your new price, guys? May I know? Apa harga baru kamu kat sini selepas discount? Yes, very good. Just take 80% kali 15. Okay, so your answer is 12. Okay, 20% discount means that 100% minus 20%. So kamu dapat 80%. Okay, so this one, fried chicken original RM5. So selepas discount berapa guys? What is your answer? Yes. Okay, kamu akan dapat RM3. Okay, just take 60% times 5. Okay, kamu akan dapat 3. Alright? Okay, so now, kamu kena guna info harga ni. Okay, use these two information. Okay, so may I know, is it enough or not guys? RM50 cukup ke tak? Okay, so kamu kena buat pendaraban matrix lah. Or you can see directly. Kamu boleh nampak secara terus guys. 12 times 20, 12 times 2, 24. 3 times 8, 24. 24 plus 24, 48. Pastilah cukup. Okay, because 50 is greater than 48. Okay, 50 lebih besar dari 48. Okay, so you just need to show your matrix multiplication. Okay, you must show this step guys. Kena tunjuk langkah ni. This is what we call as matrix multiplication. Pendaraban matrix. Okay, do you guys understand guys? Boleh dapat soalan ni 1 or 2? Come on. Kita dah habis soalan ke-15 tadi. Kita dah habis bahagian B. We already completed section B. Come on. Yes. Okay, so now section C. So I think I'll discuss both lah. I try and see. Let me check and see. Okay, so we start with question 16 lah. You want me to call name or not, guys? Nak saya panggil nama sekarang ke? Dah mula section C dah. So first person who want to kena, let me see. Let me see. Who should I ask? I also don't know. Anyone volunteer? Who volunteer to answer this question? Come on. Don't be worried. You did, Adi. I cannot call you. Very unfair. Hui Min? Can or not? This question. I see the bottom name only lah. So, can you do this question? Yes or no? I don't know. Never mind, I guide you. Slowly and slow and steady. Okay, so first question, you follow my pace only. Okay, so this one they say name the shape formed by 3 points. Okay, so this one very simple. So what shape is this, guys? Cannot say triangle only, triangle wrong. So what is the answer? What is the shape formed by these 3 points? Yes, we call it as right angle triangle, guys. Segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, all right. So next question, they ask you to count the distance between P and R. Okay, so they tell you PQ 2.5 and QR 6. So Hui Min, what formula are we using here? The rest, hold on, don't answer yet. Hui Min, what what concept we use to find PR based on this triangle? It is right angle triangle. May I know? Yang lain tunggu sekejap. Jangan bagi tahu lagi. Yes, very good. Okay, we use Pythagoras theorem, guys. Okay, theorem Pythagoras. So then you just count the answer lah. Okay, use calculator only. Okay, so your answer will look something like this for question A. Okay, so total mark, you have 3 marks. 3 marka. Bowen theorem, you try and see lah, guys. You write your answer, Bowen theorem. See whether you get marks. If one day I got invent a theorem, then of course lah, your kids, if any one of you here plan to have kids in the future, then they will study my theorem lah. You guys will have kids already by then. Akan ada anak, semua anak-anak belajar Bowen theorem. Bila ambil mathematics STM. Me, oh yes, I forget already. Wow, you expose yourself, Very good lah you, Marcus. Okay, so now 16B. Hui Min, probability. You like probability or not? This chapter is for you lah, if you like. Okay, so for 16B, head, never mind. You see carefully. Okay, so they say probability Zarif managed to move to second round is 3/5. Shafi moved to second round is 4/9. Okay, so they want you. Which one? Oh, sorry. They ask you to find the probability Zarif or Shafi. Okay, Hui Min, if they ask or, what is the symbol? May I know? What is your set symbol? Apa symbol set when you have the word or, atau? Think and see. The rest, hold on. I give a chance for her to improve also. Yang lain tunggu. Everyone else except Hui Min. Semua orang jangan jawab. Okay, so if you see the word or, what is the no. I mean what symbol? What is your set symbol? You know set symbol, right? Your operation of set. You have 2 symbols. One is union, one is intersect. So if you have the word or, which one is it? Is it this one or this one? You mentioned. You didn't mention anything? No, intercept is n. Okay, if you have or, right, your symbol is like this. Remember. Okay, if you have n, then intercept. Okay, very simple, Hui Min. And you see got letter N. Am I right? So you follow this shape. Can you see it? N. So N you can imagine as your quadratic. Something like that, right? So N intercept or union. Okay? So that is your equation over here. Okay, you must have probability Zarif union Shafi. Okay, so now they say either one, Zarif or Shafi. So how to find this? Think and see. How should I do this question? So what are the probability or how many cases I have first? Okay, ada orang. Bukan? That's not the answer. So how many cases you have, guys, for this question? Berapa case kamu ada? Cuba fikir. Try to think and see. How many different cases you have over here? Hui Min and also the rest. You all answer first. Berapa case ada untuk soalan ni, this question? No need to draw 3. You can direct C1. Tak perlu lukis gambar wajah pokok. Okay, Jenny say 4. Some more? How many cases here? Everyone. Berapa jenis case kita ada? Okay, Jackie say 3. Some more? You must think, guys. I give you all some time to think. Cuba fikir. 2. Guys, don't tell me the next person going to say 1. Siapa cakap 1, kamu habis. God? Who say none? There's also odd number case. Okay. So Hui Min, what's your answer? Your question, right? So how many cases we have here? You think? Is it 2 case, 3 case, or 4 case? They say managed to move to second round. Jose, you put 5 already, Very smart. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, so the answer is 3 case, guys. Okay, so I explained to you. Jawapan dia 3 case. Okay, so why 3 case? First case, no need to care. Okay, so first case, Zarif go to the next round. Shafi never go to the next round. Okay, I draw table. Very simple. Okay, Zarif Z, Shafi S. First case, Zarif pergi, Shafi tak pergi. Second case, Zarif tak pergi, Shafi pergi. There is third case also, guys. Third case is what? Kedua-dua pergi. Both also go to the next round. Do you all understand? Boleh dapat konsep ni? Because they say Zarif or Shafi managed to move to the second round. Pergi ke peringkat. Where got 4? 3 case only. Marcus, how you have 4 case? You mean the fourth case is this one, is it? Fourth case is XX. Cannot what? They say either one. Salah satu. So definitely one must have. Okay, your symbol is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan 1. Alright? So now you just times the probability lah, guys. Okay? So we mean, do you get the cases over here? Can, right? So just, like this. Okay, so for first case, means you take 3/5 times 5/9. Okay, because not means 1 minus. You must always use concept satu tolak jawapan yang ni. Okay, because they put cross. Okay, so 1 minus. Then the second one is just 2/5. 1 minus 3/5 times 4/9. Third case, 3/5 times 4/9. Okay, so guys, antara ketiga-tiga case ni, between all the 3 case, do I plus or times? What is the symbol? Antara ketiga-tiga case, plus or times? In between is times. Antara setiap case tu adalah darab. So kalau 2 case berbeza, different case, yes, must plus lah. Okay, so that's why your answer is like this. Okay, jawapan dia macam ni. Okay guys, clear right? So boleh jawab macam ni. So this is question B. Okay, so continue. Question C. Okay, so soalan C, a lot of people say this one hard. Soalan ni susah. If n then times. Yes, if n means you times. Okay. All right. So they tell you the quadratic function for this one, and then they ask you to count the maximum height. Okay. Kira tinggi maximum. From the ground, guys. Kamu kena ukur dari tanah. Take note. Like NMATS, right? Guys, kamu perasan siapa ambil NMATS kat sini macam soalan NMATS kan? It look like an NMATS question. Yes. No, guys. Please, jangan guna NMATS bila jawab soalan maths. Please, guys. I beg you. Or else you will get wrong. I promise you will get wrong already if you use NMATS. Okay? So now, first one. They tell M and N are 1.2 meter vertically above. So you just label lah. Okay, 1.2. So your curve is like this. Okay, so you can imagine paksi X dan paksi Y macam ni. Okay, Y axis, X axis. This one is 0. Boleh dapat tak guys? You must imagine like this. Okay, so now how do I find maximum height? First step, macam mana cari ketinggian maximum? Very simple guys. What do you do first? Find the what? We mean also. How do you find your maximum height? What you must do first? More detail please, Janice. How you find maximum height? This one they ask you to find maximum height, right? So how you find it? Yes. Okay, you must use the formula of axis of symmetry, guys. X equal to negative b over 2a. This is the concept, guys. If you want to find maximum height. In modern maths, you all study, right? This formula, mathematics. Okay, this is your equation for axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi symmetry. Alright. So, kamu cari nilai X lah. Okay, so A value dan B value sudah ada. So, you just substitute. gantikan sahaja. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat 15 as your answer. Okay, then what do you all do? When you already get 15, kena buat apa guys? Kalau nak cari ketinggian maksimum, I want to find the max height. Yes, you sub back inside this equation guys. Okay, kamu kena ganti balik. Okay, then just get your answer. Okay, so may I know, is this my final answer guys? And Hui Min, adakah ini jawapan akhir? Yes or no? You have to see the question. See your question. Is it the final answer? Yes or no? Okay, why no? Because they say measured from the ground. That height you found just now is this one, guys. So that's where the question trick a lot of you. Okay, this height is the 14.625 meter. Ketinggian ni. So now they want to find this one. Mereka nak cari total, guys. So you must take this one plus this one. Jangan lupa tambah. Don't forget to plus. Yes. Okay, so that's why your final answer is 15.83 meter. Can you all get it? Senang kan, guys? Easy, right? To understand. Very easy actually to understand. So Hui Min, can understand or not this question? Boleh? Senang. Hopefully senang for those not so good also lah in maths. Can, right? Okay. So we go on to next question. Okay, so for question D, you stop talking about the ratio. What do you mean? This formula is to find axis of symmetry. Am I right? Axis of symmetry. Correct? You study, right? This one. Form 4, chapter 1. Quadratic function. This is your formula for axis of symmetry. Correct? So you can find your axis of symmetry by just subbing your A and B value inside that formula. Do you get it? So you count your x already lah. So when you get your x represent what? X represent this distance, left and right. But now I want to find the maximum height, means up and down. What is this height? Means that I need to sub back inside the equation, x value that I count from here to find the fx. Fx represent this one, your height, this height over here. Can you see it? Do you understand now what I mean? So this is why we use that formula, because this formula will help you get the maximum point, your x coordinate of the maximum point. X coordinate or maximum point is like this, right? Xy. So when you use that formula, you get the x already. So how to find the y? You must sub back the x in your equation over here so that you can count your fx. Fx is your y lah, your y value. Okay? Can? All right. So this one is your question C. Okay, so for question D, guys, they ask you to compare the performance. So guys, whenever you see the word performance, what must you find, guys? Bila nampak mana prestasi lebih baik, kena cari nilai apa? May I know? Okay, mean can? One more? Another value? Yes, you must find standard deviation, guys. CCN PY. You can find two values. Boleh cari dua nilai. Okay, so first step, you just find this mean. Okay, so Zarif mereka dah bagi information. So now you must find for Shafi and compare which one is better. Okay, so I think this one you must do too. Kamu kena cari mean dan juga CCN PY. Okay, so first one, you must answer the first part of the question. Okay, prestasi lebih baik secara purata, kamu kena cari mean. Okay, average, we are referring to mean. Consistent, yang mana lebih consistent, we refer to standard deviation. Boleh, guys? So kamu kena buat kiraan untuk dua-dua. You must count for both. Okay, so you just use the set of data lah. Okay, so you just apply the formula. Okay, guna rumus sahaja. Okay, so mean, the formula is sum of fx over sum of f. And then standard deviation, formula is sum of fx square over sum of f minus mean square. So this is your formula. Can you get it? Boleh dapat, guys? One or two? So you compare lah dengan nilai Zarif dan Shafi. Okay, so if you get higher mean yang lebih tinggi means that better on average, lebih bagus. If you get lower standard deviation, sisian piawai lebih rendah means that you are more consistent. Okay, itu relationship. X square only, right? Not, yes, the square belong to the X only. Correct. Okay. Okay, guys, boleh faham question number 16? And also, Huimin, do you get it? This question? Can, right? So this is your question 16. I feel question 16 is easier to score. Okay, soalan 16 is lebih senang to get the full mark, 15. Okay, so for 17 is a bit harder, lebih susah, but still can. I think still can. You guys want to discuss 17 or not? Kamu semua nak bincang 17 ke? Yes or no? Easy ya? Wah, kamu kata easy. Later kamu nampak soalan ni, kamu akan risau. Soalan C ni. C ni susah. So guys, do you want me to discuss 17? Yes or no? You comment. You decide. Kamu nak ke tak soalan 17 ni? Ataupun tak perlu? One, Okay. So for question 17, they ask you to state the range of value of A, guys. So may I know what is the range? You all answer me. Apa julat dia untuk graf yang ni? Anyone? What is your range? Yes, KA is less than 0, guys, because you have a set shape. Okay, bentuk masam. Okay, so A is smaller than 0. Settle. Okay, so 17A2, they say it reached a maximum height of 5. Okay, so they ask you to state the coordinate of maximum point. Okay, cari coordinate titik maximum. Okay, let me see. Okay, so they say it landed 8 meter from the launching part, mendarat 8 meter dari titik pelancaran. Okay, so means that this one, the total is 8 meter. So guys, may I know what is your coordinate of the maximum point? Terus, final answer. Apa coordinate titik maximum kamu? Yes, same chapter. So anyone? Maximum point? What is your coordinate? 9450? Betul ke? Yes. Okay, 45. Alright. Your coordinate of maximum point is 45. Because question tell you that the maximum height is 5. And how to find this value? Macam mana cari nilai ni? You just take 8, divide by 2. Okay, because it is the axis of symmetry, paksi symmetry. So it will divide equally left and right. Okay, kiri dan kanan sama. Okay, so that's why your answer is 45, 45. Okay, so this is how you solve. Wait, for question A. Okay, so this is your question A. Boleh dapat, guys? Lost Which part you lost? So simple lah, guys, this question. How can you lost? Guys, wake up, Question A2, they say find maximum point. Am I right? So how to find maximum point? You must find the axis of symmetry. Okay, they already tell you that 8 meter, your x value from the launching point. Okay, so 8 meter is the whole thing. Okay, so how to find axis of symmetry? Divide 2 lah. Same, 4, 4. Okay, so that's why this point is 4. And then they tell you just now is 5, the maximum height. So that's why the answer is 4, 5. Okay, Janice Lee, can, right? Yeah, it's like perpendicular bisector lah. Correct, same concept. Okay, so question B. They ask you to find standard deviation, guys. Sisian piawai. You can do this, right? Sangat straightforward. Am I right? Okay, you just need to find first step, find the midpoint. Okay, yes. Cari titik tengah. Okay, so 17, 22, 27, 32. Okay, these are all your midpoints. Titik tengah. Okay, and then you use the formula only. Sum of fx square over sum of f minus mean square. Square root. Can get it, guys? For this question, saya tak perlu tunjukkan macam mana kira. It's very straightforward one. Okay, so you just apply the formula only. Guna rumus sahaja. Okay, so this is your answer for part B. Boleh? Can, right? Question C is the hardest one. Soalan C lebih susah. How about area? Cm square final answer. Area? D pun susah sikit. Area cm square. Wait, let me see. Area cm square. Why you talk about area? Oh, asking only. Yes, yes, correct. What do you mean by bracket? Oh, below. Oh, never mind. Okay, so I proceed. Okay, so guys, question C. They ask you to find the value of H. Cari nilai H. This one is your second last question already, guys. Soalan kedua terakhir dah. Okay, wake up. Anyone sleeping, please wake up. Second last question already. Okay, so this one, they say 1/3 of the volume of bottle is filled with water. Okay, 1/3 diisi air. So they ask you to count H. Okay, so first step, you must find what? You must find the total volume. Am I right? Kamu kena cari jumlah isi padu. So guys, this is a hemisphere. This is a cylinder. Okay, this one cylinder. And then this one is the cone. Okay, yang ni adalah cone. Alright? So you just find the 3 volumes. Okay, cari 3 isi padu yang ni. Okay? So hemisphere guys, what is the formula for volume? May I know? Isi padu hemisfera. Apa nilai dia? Macam mana nak kira? Tak complete lagi. Volume hemisphere guys. Anyone? Do you remember what is your formula? Isi padu hemisfera? Bukan. Guys, the answer is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay? Volume always remember must cube guys. Kalau kamu nampak isi padu selalu kamu akan kuasa 3. Kalau luas sahaja kuasa 2. Okay, area only power 2. Okay? Remember this formula. Kena ingat yang ni. Yang ni saya rasa takkan diberi. Okay, this one is not given. Okay, so what is your formula for volume of cylinder? Everyone. Isi padu cylinder. Apa rumus? Anyone? Yes. Pi r square H. Ada H. Okay. Ataupun T. Okay, so lepas tu volume cone. Anyone? Isi padu for cone. What is your formula? Come on. Isi padu cone berapa guys? What is your formula? Ingat ke tak? Yes. 1/3 pi r square H. Okay, this is your formula for volume of cone. Okay, so you just need to find all the answers or value over here. Okay, so you can see the information. They tell you that all the 3 shape have same radius. Okay, ketiga-tiga bentuk ni ada jejari sama. So your radius is just 10 divided by 2. Am I right? Jejari adalah 10 bahagi 2, yaitu 5. Okay, and then they tell you height of cylinder is 4 times the radius. So 4 times 5. Okay, so you will get 20 height of cylinder. And then height of cone is same as the radius. So means that the height of the cone is 5. Am I right? Tinggi cone ada 5. Sorry guys, just now your cylinder, right? Cylinder adalah seluruh yang ni. Okay, the cylinder is this whole thing. And then your cone is this one. Okay, saya nampak salah tadi. I saw wrongly. Okay, so your height of cone is just this one, 5. So it's not your H yet. Okay, H belum lagi. Alright, so you just use the formula, count the answers, volume of hemisphere, ganti nilai, kira jawapan, volume of cylinder, and also volume of cone. Okay, and then of course, kamu kena cari jumlah isi padu, total volume. So you add everything up lah, kamu tambah semua nilai. Okay, so you will get this answer, jawapan ni, after you add up everything. And then they say, soalan kata volume of water is 1/3. Can you see guys? 1/3 isi padu roket diisi dengan air. 1/3. So kamu ambil 1/3 kali dengan jawapan yang ni. So kamu akan dapat isi padu, the volume of water. So now they want you to find your H value. So how do we get the H now guys? How do we do it? Macam mana cari nilai H? Okay, so of course you must see what your H refer to. Okay, so H actually refer to the cylinder and also the cone. Okay, yes. Kamu boleh terbalikkan? Boleh? Okay, so first step, kamu kena tolak dengan satu nilai. Okay, you must minus with a value first. Okay, so what value you're going to minus now, guys? Kamu akan tolak dengan nilai apa kat sini? May I know? Volume of water inside the cylinder. Okay, so kamu kena tahulah. Okay, you must know how much is this volume. Okay, because just now volume of cylinder adalah seluruh yang ni, is the whole thing. Volume of cylinder, the red color. Okay, so you want to find now the blue color. So you take red minus blue, you will get the volume of water just inside that bahagian. So that's the concept. So just now, actually, you find volume of cone. Am I right? Tadi kamu dah cari isi padu cone yang ni. So actually, you can already find what is this volume. Correct, guys? Because you have the volume of water, kamu ada isi padu air tadi, you found over here, 13,750 over 21, you minus with the volume of cone. Okay, tolak dengan isi padu cone, you will get the volume for that small part of the cylinder. So that is actually your H value. So you can already form the equation. Your cylinder formula is pi r square H. Pi, R is 5, jajari selalu 5, H. Okay, H adalah H tolak 5. Kenapa? Okay, so you need to see your diagram. Okay, so total is H, and then mereka bagi tahu height of cone is 5. Am I right? So what is the value here, guys? H minus 5. Am I right? H tolak 5. So you just apply the formula lah. Then boleh cari nilai H. Okay, guys? Do you understand me? 1 or 2? Come on. I need to hear your semangat. Understand or not? Boleh. Yang ni. Yang ni soalan susah tau. Hard. So if you understand means sangat bagus lah. If you can understand. It's a very long process, but hopefully you understand lah how I explain. So the rest, 1 or 2, 1 atau 2. Just now question. Can, right? Boleh kan? Okay. So we come for the last question, guys, of today. Congratulations lah for those who survive. Okay, yang ni adalah soalan terakhir untuk hari ini. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to determine what is the best launching angle. Okay, tentukan sudut pelancaran yang manakah terbaik. Okay, so they already give you the equation. Don't worry. Okay, so what you must do here, guys? May I know? Kamu kena buat apa kat sini? Okay, so they already give you the values. So you just need to substitute. Okay, tak perlu special angle triangle. Kamu just gantikan nilai saja. Okay, just substitute your two set of angle. Okay, so first set, you substitute theta equal to 30. This is your first set. Second set, you substitute theta equal to 45. Both answer also, your U and G maintain the same. Okay, for those take physics, I think you understand better, right? This question. Untuk sesiapa ambil subject physics. Okay, so you just substitute inside the formula only. Okay, so you will get two set of answer. Okay, so first set. Okay, sebenarnya yang ni boleh tekan calculator lah, guys. You can press calculator to be easy. Or you can draw the triangle. Boleh lukis segitiga untuk dapat nisbah dia. Macam ni. You can get the ratio. Okay, so guys, for those asking the special triangle, you must remember this. This is a 90, 60, 30 triangle. Okay, so how the ratio goes? Macam mana nisbah dia? Okay, so basically, your ratio is like this. 2, 1, 3. You must remember this, guys. It will help you a lot. Can you see? Sin 30. How do you find sin 30, guys? Opposite. Hey, wait. Wait, guys. Did I write wrongly? Adakah saya tulis? Not wrong. Okay, so they ask you to find sin 30. So sin 30, opposite over hypotenuse. Setiga bahagi 2. Okay, and then cos 30, adjacent over hypotenuse. Bersebelahan bagi hypotenuse 1/2. Faham, guys? Do you understand? 1 or 2? Saya kena tanya ni selalu, guys. Jangan bosan. Because I must make sure whether you guys really understand or not. Saya kena pastikan kamu betul-betul faham ke tak. Can, right? Okay, so your answer you will get, press calculator. Tekan calculator. Okay, and then you go for the second set. Second set. Okay, second set is theta sama dengan 45. Okay, so you will actually get 40 meter. So which one is better, guys? Yang mana antara dua ni sudut dia lebih bagus untuk pelancaran? Which angle is better, guys, for launching? May I know? 45 lah. Kenapa kamu pilih 45, guys, untuk launching? Apa sebab kamu? Kamu kata 45. Why is 45 degrees better launching angle? than 30 degrees. Apa kamu nampak? Untuk bagi kamu tahu jawapan tu adalah 45. What do you compare, guys? May I know? Anyone? Hello? Where are you all? Tolong respon. What do you all compare, guys? Untuk tentukan mana adalah sudut terbaik. Which one is the best launching angle? You all see what? Distance, right? Kamu nampak tinggi kan? Okay. So, lagi tinggi, jarak dia lagi bagus lah. Okay, lagi tinggi dia pergi, itu adalah sudut pelancaran terbaik. Okay, that is the best angle. The further it can go. Okay, guys. So, congratulations. We have finished the whole SPM paper 2 already. Kita dah habis kertas 2. So, do you all understand or not? Come on. I need to see your 1 or 2. 1 atau 2. Faham ke tak hari ni? Semua 34 orang kat sini. Really help, So does the class help you all?